I'm Putco Pat, and I'm here to talk about our Blade LED tailgate light bar and our new Blade Quick Connect harness. The Blade tailgate light bar is a high-powered chip-on-board design with over 2,000 LEDs in the 60-inch version. And our new Blade Quick Connect harness, included in the kits and sold separately, makes the installation a plug-and-play affair. No more splicing of wires. Let's check out what's in the box. We have the tailgate light bar, the Blade Quick Connect harness, included in the kit and sold separately, Scotch locks, 3M tape strips, mounting brackets, adhesive promoter, and instructions. Here are some of the basic tools required to complete the installation. Let's get to work. Today, we're going to be installing our Blade LED tailgate light bar using the Blade Quick Connect harness on a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The first step is disconnecting the rear view camera. Let's get started. I've removed the spare tire so we can see the connectors better. Before removing the tailgate, we'll disconnect the rear view camera. There's a red clip on the plug. Push it out and then press the lever down. Then disconnect the rear view camera plug. Now feed it through the hole and we'll remove the tailgate. We've disconnected the rear view camera and now we'll remove the tailgate. To do this, you need to disconnect the two support cables and then have a friend help you remove the tailgate. Now that we've removed the tailgate, we'll attach the blade to the truck. There are 3 different mounting options. You can use the bracket and screws, the bracket and 3M tape, or just 3M tape and directly adhere the tailgate light bar to the truck. We're going to use the brackets and tape. Use a clean rag and alcohol to clean the surface. Then use the promoter pack on the bracket and adhere the 3M tape to it. Carefully and evenly space the brackets on the truck, making sure that they clear any obstacles and the light bar is visible. We've mounted the brackets using 3M tape, evenly spacing them and making sure the blade will be visible and clear any obstacles. Now we'll clip it into place. Take the wires and run them behind the bumper. Now that we've removed the tailgate and mounted the Blade tailgate light bar, we'll wire it up. We'll disconnect the 7-pin harness by pulling out this tab and depressing the lever. We'll connect it using our Blade Quick Connect harness. It plugs into the truck, and the other end plugs into the wiring harness. Take the 4-pin adapter and plug it into the tailgate light bar. Connect the 2 white reverse wires and then connect the final wire. Bundle up the wires and then zip tie them to the factory harness. We've got the wiring harness zip tied into place, and we'll just clean things up. We'll mount the blade driver box away from the elements. I'm mounting it here in the rear driver's side corner in the bumper area. Take care to make sure the wires don't get pinched and zip tie it into place. And that finishes our installation of the Blade LED tailgate light bar using the Blade Quick Connect harness. It looks great. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube.